Hey there, health enthusiasts! Did you know that cucumbers are more than just a refreshing snack? Stick around, because today, I'm unlocking the secrets of the juicy green cucumber that could revolutionize your health routine. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of cucumbers. These humble green veggies are packed with hidden benefits that most of us are completely unaware of. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. You see, most people think cucumbers are just water and a bit of crunch. But what if I told you they can do much more than that? That's right, cucumbers are loaded with nutrients and have some surprising health benefits. Ready to find out what they are? Let's get into it. First up, hydration. Cucumbers are 96% water, making them a fantastic way to stay hydrated, especially during those hot summer months. But that's not all. They also contain important electrolytes, which help keep your body balanced and functioning properly. Next, let's talk about skin health. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and can even improve your complexion. Think of it as nature's way of giving you a spa day, every day. Struggling with weight loss? Cucumbers might be your new best friend. They're low in calories but high in fiber, which means they help you feel full longer. Snacking on cucumbers can curb those unhealthy cravings and support your weight loss goals. Now for a special tip. Did you know that cucumber juice can help reduce bad breath? That's right. The phytochemicals in cucumbers can kill bacteria responsible for oral health issues. So next time you're heading out, consider a slice of cucumber as a quick fix. And here's a fun fact. Cucumbers can help manage stress. They contain multiple B vitamins, which are known to ease feelings of anxiety and buffer the damaging effects of stress. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, maybe grab a cucumber. To wrap it up, cucumbers are not just a crunchy addition to your salad. They boost hydration, enhance skin health, aid in weight loss, freshen breath, and even help manage stress. Talk about a multitasker. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you experienced any surprising benefits from eating cucumbers? Drop a comment below and share your story. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay healthy and keep munching on those cucumbers. Bye. Call to action, CTA. Like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Share your cucumber experiences in the comments.